How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Who is that?
That's my friend.
Who is that?
That's my friend.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Is she okay?
Yes, she is.
Is she okay?
Yes, she is.
Are you busy?
Not right now.
Are you busy?
Not right now.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is that new?
Yes, it is.
Is that new?
Yes, it is.
Is he sleeping?
Yes, he is.
Is he sleeping?
Yes, he is.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't.
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't.
Are you alone?
No, I'm not.
Are you alone?
No, I'm not.
Is it free?
Yes, it is.
Is it free?
Yes, it is.
What's your hobby?
I like walking.
What's your hobby?
I like walking.
Is he married?
Yes, he is married.
Is he married?
Yes, he is married.
Is she here?
No, she isn't.
Is she here?
No, she isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Did you go?
Yes, I did.
Did you go?
Yes, I did.
Have you been?
Yes, I have.
Have you been?
Yes, I have.
Is it yours?
No, it isn't.
Is it yours?
No, it isn't.
Is it broken?
Yes, it is.
Is it broken?
Yes, it is.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Is he here?
No, he isn't.
Is he here?
No, he isn't.
Are they gone?
Yes, they are.
Are they gone?
Yes, they are.
Do you bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you bike?
Yes, I do.
Is it dark?
Yes, it is.
Is it dark?
Yes, it is.
Is it time?
Yes, it is.
Is it time?
Yes, it is.
Do you care?
Yes, I do.
Do you care?
Yes, I do.
Is it done?
Yes, it is.
Is it done?
Yes, it is.
Can you stay?
Yes, I can.
Can you stay?
Yes, I can.
Is it yours?
No, it isn't.
Is it yours?
No, it isn't.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Why us?
She didn't tell.
Why us?
She didn't tell.
For whom?
For you.
For whom?
For you.
Need help?
Yes, please.
Need help?
Yes, please.
Is that far?
Not much.
Is that far?
Not much.
What now?
Have dinner.
What now?
Have dinner.
Where to?
Up north.
Where to?
Up north.
How long?
1 week.
How long?
1 week.
Who knows?
Nobody yet.
Who knows?
Nobody yet.
Why worrying?
It matters.
Why worrying?
It matters.
Which path?
The winding one.
Which path?
The winding one.
When leave?
At sunrise.
When leave?
At sunrise.
How much?
Just enough.
How much?
Just enough.
What if?
We'll manage.
What if?
We'll manage.
Who leads?
You decide.
Who leads?
You decide.
Why wait?
Time's needed.
Why wait?
Time's needed.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more fun and learning.